Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this yummy vegetable bread lasagna. Yes, without using lasagna sheet. And this is gonna be simple but needs a little bit of hard work. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's saute the vegetables. For that, heat a pan and add 1 stick of butter and add 5 to 9 cloves of finely chopped garlic and saute it for about a minute. Now to this add 1 to 2 green chillies finely chopped, half a cup of onion finely chopped, that is 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, and just saute it. Now add half a cup of capsicum, that is 1 medium sized capsicum finely chopped, and saute it. Now add 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1/4 cup of tomato, that is 1 small sized tomato finely chopped, and saute it. We don't want the vegetables to get soggy, we want it to be crispy. So don't over saute it. Now add half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, half a spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of chili powder, half a spoon of oregano, and just mix it well and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the red sauce. For that, in the same pan add 1 stick of butter. To this add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, half a spoon of chili flakes, 1/4 spoon of chili powder, half a spoon of oregano, finely chopped coriander leaves, and just saute it. Now when you get a beautiful aroma, that's when you add a puree of 3 boiled tomatoes. I took 3 medium sized tomatoes, boiled them and blended them. Now to this add 1/4 cup of water and just mix it well. Now add half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, 1/4 spoon of chili powder, and give it a good mix. Now let's prepare the white sauce. For that, heat a pan and add 1 stick of butter. To this add 2 spoons of Maida and just saute it well. Make sure the flame is on low, you don't want to burn it. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk gradually in batches. Just like mix it well so that there are no lumps. And you want your white sauce to be creamy. Just add the milk gradually and keep mixing it until you remove the lumps. So to this add half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of oregano, and about 3 spoons of milk. You can adjust the consistency depending on how your white sauce turned out. So just mix it well and it should have a creamy consistency like this. So here I have about 10 slices of bread. I am gonna cut the edges. Remove the edges. Do this to all of them and just roll it out gently. Don't be too harsh. So repeat the same with the rest. Now here I have a square mold and you can use any oven proof container, preferably square shape. Now to this add about 6 spoons of red sauce. So basically we're gonna make the layers. Now add 6 spoons of red sauce and spread it evenly. Next place the bread slices. So that's gonna be our second layer. Now I'm gonna add some more red sauce on top of it and just spread it. Make sure you add sauce on the sides as well. Now add about 4 spoons of white sauce and just spread it evenly. Now we're gonna add the sauteed vegetables. To this I'm gonna add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can use a mixture of processed cheese and mozzarella cheese as well. Now I've added about 4 spoons of white sauce and then a layer of bread and a layer of red sauce and then white sauce and then mozzarella cheese. Now here I have just topped it with some red sauce and some leftover vegetables and some cheese on top. Now I'm gonna bake this in my preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You wanna get a slightly burnt top like this. Now just cut it into slices. This lasagna tasted so good and it's tummy filling. Like this one slice is just enough for one person, at least for me it was. Depends on your appetite too. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.